The weight loss industry has been lying to you. For decades, we've been sold on quick fixes, endless cardio sessions, and restrictive diets that do more harm than good. Today, we're exposing the truth with facts from leading experts, breaking down the science behind what actually works. It's time to stop the cycle of frustration and start seeing real, sustainable results. Let's start with the biggest deception of them all: rapid weight loss. That promise of dropping 10 pounds in 7 days is incredibly misleading. It's not fat you're losing, it's water. Here's what a leading nutritionist says about this common myth. You don't lose weight by dehydrating yourself. You lose it by convincing your body it's safe to release stored fluid. When you drastically cut calories or carbs, your body taps into its glycogen stores, which are bound to water. For every gram of glycogen you burn, you release about 3 to 4 grams of water. This creates the illusion of significant weight loss on the scale. The real solution is what we call the nutritional flush. By drinking more water and strategically reducing your sodium intake, you send a clear signal to your body that it's no longer in a state of dehydration. This convinces your system to stop retaining excess fluid, leading to a natural and healthy release of water weight without resorting to dangerous methods. Next, let's tackle the myth of endless cardio. We've all seen people plodding away on the treadmill for hours, believing that more time equals more results. But that's simply not the most effective strategy. An exercise physiologist put it best when they said, "The goal isn't to burn calories for hours. It's to flip your metabolic switch on for the entire day. Intensity is the key." While long, slow cardio burns calories during the activity, its effect stops shortly after you do. The solution is to exercise smarter, not longer. A 20-minute high-intensity interval training, HIIT workout, is far more effective. By alternating short bursts of all-out effort with brief recovery periods, you create a powerful metabolic afterburn effect, known as excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, or EPOC. This process elevates your metabolism for up to 24 hours after you've finished exercising, meaning you continue to burn calories long after you've left the gym. It's about creating a metabolic ripple effect that works for you all day long. Finally, let's expose the biggest mistake most dieters make: starving themselves. Drastically cutting calories feels like the most direct path to weight loss, but it almost always backfires. A leading endocrinologist explains exactly why. Starvation triggers a hormonal panic mode, slowing metabolism. Strategic fasting, however, optimizes fat-burning hormones like insulin. When your body perceives starvation, it goes into survival mode. Your metabolism slows down to conserve energy, and your body starts breaking down precious muscle tissue, all while desperately holding on to fat stores. This is a hormonal response designed to protect you. The smarter approach is strategic fasting, like the 16-8 intermittent fasting method. By limiting your eating to an 8-hour window each day, you give your body a 16-hour break from digestion. This allows your insulin levels to fall, signaling your body to switch from burning glucose to burning its stored fat for energy. It's not about eating less, it's about eating when. This simple shift in timing can optimize your hormones and turn your body into a more efficient fat-burning machine, without triggering the metabolic panic caused by starvation.